Good morning student, welcome back to Math for class 11. Today is the exercise 6.4 approximation value. Okay, approximation value. This function is the fd to real r. D subset of r is a function in increasing y to increasing x. So we will use differentiate in the approximation value of the certain quantity. Okay, so next delta y equal to function of x plus delta x minus function of x. Let y is the function of x, okay, and dy equal to delta y, but this equal to dy dx into delta x. Okay, dy delta y equal to dy dx in delta x. This is a formula. The second formula, and this is the first formula used in this approximation values. Okay, then dx is also delta x, right? So then f dash of x equal to dy dx, right? And this is delta y equal to function of x plus delta x minus function of x. Y equal to function of delta y equal to dy equal to dy dx into delta x. This is a formula of approximation values. So now let question number 1, first part, take under root 25.3 this value. Okay, so this is a function of x plus delta x. So let first step x equal to, this is a square root of 25 according to question, this equal to 25, and delta x equal to 0.3. Very simple. This x equal change in x plus delta x. So x is be equal to the square root of this. According to question, this power is a 1 by 2. The square root of 25. Right? Clear? And delta other part is in delta x. This is system. And y equal to this value x के according 1 upon 2. Right? So find second step delta y equal to function of x plus delta x minus function of x. This putting value function of x is this under root 25.3 minus this square root of 25. This function of this, right? So delta y equal to under root 25.3 minus square root 25, 5, and delta y plus 5 equal to under root 25. This value of this is 25 of question number 1. And then for now find third step, find delta y. So this delta y equal to dy, and this dy equal to dy dx into delta x formula. So dy dx, now dy dx from given this function. So this 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 to under root x. Differentiate of this. Okay. So delta y equal to 1 upon 2 under root x into delta x. 1 upon 2 under root x, x equal to 25, let this one, into delta x equal to 0.3. This is equal to 0.3 upon 2 into under root 5, 25, 5. So dy equal to 0.3 upon 10 means 0.03. This value putting in 1. So 0.03 plus 5 equal to under root 25.3. This value equal to 5.0 3 equal to under root 25.3. That's your answer. Okay, this is a approximation. Okay, now next question, sixth part. This other part is simple. Take 1.5 raised to 1 by 4. So this value change in 1 by 4 tetrad of this 1. So this change to 1 plus 0.5 raised to 1 by 4. So let y equal to x raised to 1 by 4 and then x equal to 1 and delta x equal to 0.5. So first dy delta y function of x plus delta x minus function of x. This putting value delta x, this is also 1.5 1 raised to 4 1 by 4 minus function of x, this 1 raised to 1 by 4. So delta y plus 1, this is equal to 1 equal to 1.5 raised to 1 by 4. This is equation number 1. And now find dy. This dy dx to delta x. Differentiate of this function 1 upon 4 raised to minus 3 by 4, x raised to plus 3 by 4 and delta x and putting dy dx equal to 1 upon 4 into x equal to 1 raised to 3 by 4 into delta x equal to 0.5. This equal to 0.5 upon 4 into 1, that is 0.5 upon 4. dy equal to 0.4 1 ja 4 and 1 0 10 4 2 ja 8 and 2 4 5 ja 20, right? dy equal to plus value 1.125, putting in 1. So 0.125 plus 1 equal to 1.5 raised to 1 by 4. So this is equal to 1.125. This is a approximate value, 1 by 4, right? Answer. Okay, next, now let question. Next question, 82 15th 3.968 raised to 3 by 2. These are different type questions. Okay, so 3.968 3 by 2 means square root of this number and change in square root and delta. So this equal to 4 minus this rough 0.000 and this number, subtract from this number 968. Okay, so 0 to 2 and 9 is 3 and 9 from the 0 point is 1 1. Okay, this 6 this 3 and this 9 to 8.0.032, that is 3.968 equal to 4 minus 0.032. That is clear? Okay, so in this value putting in this, right? So let y equal to x raised to this same power 3 by 2 and x equal to 4 and delta x equal to minus this value minus 0.032. 0.032. Getting? Are you getting my point? Minus, this is a minus value. Delta is equal to minus value. This equal to this, right? So delta y, function of x plus delta x minus function of x. This value is the same, 3.6968 raised to 3 by 2 minus this value 4 raised to 3 by 2. Delta y equal to this value 3.968 raised to 3 by 2 and minus this 2 2s are 4, 2 raised to 2 raised to 3 by 2, 2 2 cut, 2 raised, that is 8. So delta y plus 8 equal to 3.968 raised to 3 by 2. This is equation number 1. Now find dy, or dy equal to formula dy dx raised into delta x. Find dy dx from given function, this phi function. So this differentiate 3 by 2 into minus 1 x raised to 1 by 2, right? So putting dy equal to 3 upon 2 into under root x into delta x, that's putting value 3 upon 2 under root x, x under root 4 into multiply delta x equal to minus 0.032. So dy equal to 3 upon 2 into 2 into minus 0.032. 2 cut and multiply minus 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 0. Okay, 0.096. This d by putting in 1 delta y, this equal to 0 minus 0.096 plus 8 equal to 3.968 3 by 2. Okay, subtract from this value 10 minus 6 4 and 9 minus 9, 0, and this is 9 and this 7 point, this value 968 raised to 3 by 2. Okay, this is the right value. Answer can start to solve from these questions. A simple question, and this question, this subtractive type question, and this is also 12 part is also same. This 12 part 26.57 raised to 1 upon 3. This value is changed 1 upon 3. 3 cube root of this number. 3 3s are 9 3s are 27. So this is the nearest to 27. So 27, you are refer 27.00 subtract to 26.57 and this value 3 and 9 minus this 4 point this. Okay, so this is a 27 minus 0.43. Okay, this value. So let y equal to x raised to 1 upon 3, let x equal to 27, delta x equal to minus 0.43, right? So now delta y, same function x plus delta x minus function of x, this putting value, and 26.57 raised to 1 upon 3 minus 27 raised to 1 upon 3. Okay, this is a function delta x, this 26.57 raised to 1 upon 3 minus 27, this is a 3. Okay, so delta y plus 3 equal to 26.57 raised to 1 upon 3. This equation number. Now find dy dx into delta x, dy dx from this 1 upon 3 and minus x raised to 2 by 3 into delta x, and putting this value 1 upon 3 into x equal to 27. 27 raised to 2 by 3 into delta x, this is minus 0.43. It become 1 upon 3. The square root 3 3 is a 9. Okay, and minus 0.43. Right? So dy dx equal to minus 0.43 upon 27. Right? And this value equal to divide by 27. So 27 minus this 0.20 not divisible by this value 430, 1 ja, and divide here 430. Okay, 43 this 0.0 and 127, subtract this equal to this, and 5 sa something 54. Okay, so dy dx equal to minus 0.015 5 or 5 minus of this 25, this something 9. Okay, minus 0.0159. right? So now putting in 1 this value 3 plus minus 0.0159 equal to 26.57 raised to 1 upon 3, and subtract this value. So 3, this is become to positive value 3.000. This 9, 10 minus 9, 1. Okay, this 1 value, and 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 to 9 point, or this 2 equal 26.57 1 by 3. That is 2.9841 something. Something means approximate value 1 upon 3. That is okay. Complete your exercise, and next topic and next method of this type question, word problem type question by the approximation method. Okay, so thank you.